I have some hobbies. I have some hobbies. A hobby is something I like to do. A hobby is something I like to do. My hobbies make me happy. My hobbies make me happy. They also help me relax. They also help me relax. I usually do my hobbies after school. I usually do my hobbies after school. My first hobby is reading. My first hobby is reading. I like reading books. I like reading books. I usually read in the evening. I usually read in the evening. I read stories and simple novels. I read stories and simple novels. Sometimes I read magazines. Sometimes I read magazines. I read in bed before sleep. I read in bed before sleep. Reading helps me learn new words. Reading helps me learn new words. Reading is interesting and useful. Reading is interesting and useful. My second hobby is music. My second hobby is music. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I listen to music every day. I listen to music every day. I listen on my phone with headphones. I listen on my phone with headphones. I like pop songs. I like pop songs. Sometimes I listen to rock. Sometimes I listen to rock. Music gives me energy. Music gives me energy. Music makes me feel good. Music makes me feel good. Another hobby is drawing. Another hobby is drawing. I like to draw in my free time. I like to draw in my free time. I use pencils and colors. I use pencils and colors. I draw animals and flowers. I draw animals and flowers. Sometimes I draw people. Sometimes I draw people. I keep my drawings in a folder. I keep my drawings in a folder. Drawing helps me be creative. Drawing helps me be creative. Drawing makes me calm. Drawing makes me calm. I also like sport. I also like sport. My favorite sport is football. My favorite sport is football. I play football with my friends. I play football with my friends. We play in the park on weekends. We play in the park on weekends. Sometimes we play after school. Sometimes we play after school. I run fast when I play football. I run fast when I play football. I like to score goals. I like to score goals. Football is good for health. Football is good for health. It makes me strong. It makes me strong. It also makes me happy. It also makes me happy. I like watching movies. I like watching movies. I usually watch movies on TV. I usually watch movies on TV. Sometimes I watch movies on my laptop. Sometimes I watch movies on my laptop. I like funny movies. I like funny movies. I also like adventure movies. I also like adventure movies. Sometimes I watch movies with my family. Sometimes I watch movies with my family. We eat popcorn and watch together. We eat popcorn and watch together. Movies help me learn English. Movies help me learn English. I sometimes play computer games. I sometimes play computer games. I play simple games. I play simple games. My favorite game is about cars. My favorite game is about cars. Sometimes I play with my sister. Sometimes I play with my sister. We have fun together. We have fun together. I don't play games too much. I don't play games too much. I play only after school. I play only after school. Playing games is fun. Playing games is fun. I also like walking. I also like walking. I walk in the park near my house. I walk in the park near my house. Sometimes I walk with my family. Sometimes I walk with my family. Sometimes I walk with my friends. Sometimes I walk with my friends. I walk in the morning or in the evening. I walk in the morning or in the evening. Walking makes me healthy. Walking makes me healthy. Walking makes me relaxed. Walking makes me relaxed. I like fresh air. I like fresh air. I like fresh air. I like nature. I like nature. I like nature. On weekends I have more free time. On weekends I have more free time. I read more books. I read more books. I read more books. I play football with my friends. I play football with my friends. I draw pictures at home. I draw pictures at home. I listen to music for a long time. I listen to music for a long time. I sometimes go to the cinema. I sometimes go to the cinema. I watch new movies there. I watch new movies there. I eat popcorn and drink cola. I eat popcorn and drink cola. My hobbies are very important to me. My hobbies are very important to me. They make my life interesting. They make my life interesting. They make me happy. They make me happy. They make me happy. Hobbies give me energy. Hobbies give me energy. Hobbies help me learn new things. Hobbies help me learn new things. Everyone should have hobbies. Everyone should have hobbies. A life without hobbies is boring. A life without hobbies is boring. I love my hobbies very much. I love my hobbies very much.